Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are getting into this front porch. It looks tired, it looks beat up, it looks unkept. All of the pollen and the bugs have just been having a feast. My rug is done, and we're not even going to talk about this furniture set that's been here on my porch for like the last 4 years. Anyway, it is time to get this porch in shape for spring. Spring is here. I am in the mood to clean and get it all nice and neat. So we are going to get right into it. So here we go with the plan. Of course, we're going to be changing out the rug. We're going to be bringing in some nicer, better, comfier furniture than this. We're going to add a plant to the table and also some type of greenery here on the side. The biggest change I'm going to make is I'm going to be painting the doors and the shutters black. I think this will just bring in some contrast because the gray on gray just is not it. And then, of course, we're going to decorate and we're going to add a wreath. But first things first, before we can get to any of that, of course, we got to clean this porch off. We got to get rid of all this old stuff, trash it, give it away, repurpose it, whatever. And then we're going to be cleaning off the porch. I'm just using my broom to sweep it down, get all the bugs out of the way. And then before we paint, I'm going to be wiping the door down, cleaning it really good to make sure that the paint adheres really well. For my paint, I decided to go with the color Tricorn Black from Sherwin-Williams. This is a color that I've used before. I love it. And we just did the exterior paint with primer and paint mixed together. All right, so it is the next morning. We have completely let the paint dry and cure overnight. And let me tell y'all, the least expensive way to make the biggest impact when you're doing any makeover is with fresh paint. The house looks so good. It is so vibrant now. The black on the gray makes a much better contrast than the gray on gray did. I'm gonna just let y'all see for yourself. So now for the fun part, we're just going to bring in all of the decor and see if we can get this porch in tip-top shape for spring. Why are you trying to throw it so wild? right, you guys, we are all done. I think it came out great. Y'all can kind of see it a little bit behind me, but I'm gonna go ahead and show it to y'all and tell me what you think. So that is it. I think it came out great. At the last minute, I decided to hang those planters at the top, and I think it just made a big difference. It kind of brought the top down into the space and included it before it was looking a little bare and naked up there. So I think those planters work great. But y'all, tell me that painting that door and those shutters black did not just make the world of difference. I think it really did. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this video, if you like it, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you guys on the next video.